Let me show you 5 ways how you can use ChatGPT for your Shopify store. So the first thing is you have to tell ChatGPT what about is your store. As I'm building for wooden watches for women with vegan strap and have quartz movement, I'm telling all that to ChatGPT so he knows what I'm doing. It. So the next thing is what you can do with that information. So first thing to edit is when you go in the online store, you go into preferences, and there is a most important thing, and it is title and meta description. And then what you can do, you can copy this and ask ChatGPT, write me title and meta description. And what he gonna do? He will write for me one, and then I just copy and paste there. So the next thing, and one of the also most important ones, is a product page. So here again, you can use ChatGPT for title creation, description creation, and also for your media for alt texts. And if you go even down lower here, you can use also for product headline and meta description for search engines again. And then here again, you ask also ChatGPT, write me product page description plus meta headline and description again. And then what ChatGPT will do, he will create for you one, and then you just copy all this information and paste on your product page. So that's that simple. So the other thing what you can do with ChatGPT is when you go into your store and you press customize, there is a lot of information on your homepage. So ask him to create headlines. And what he do, he creates for you a few headlines. You choose which one you want. You add it here. Then you can ask about create a description for homepage or and so on. So this is the third thing what you can use ChatGPT. The fourth one is a blog post writing, which is pretty important for SOE and to find your products on Google. And you just ask him write a blog post. And what ChatGPT will do for you, he will write a blog post and you can write multiple ones, add pictures. Then I'll also ask him to write for blog post, meta description and headline. And then the last thing what you can use ChatGPT for is when you create about us page and you can ask him write about us page. And again, what ChatGPT will do the same as a blog post. He will generate for you about us page and then just read through and do some editing and or ask him improve this section and it will be perfectly for your store. So this is in few minutes I explain you how to use ChatGPT and create multiple pages without writing any word. So go try it out and always make sure also to double read what ChatGPT write it for you because sometimes he is wrong.